Good morning, students. Today's topic of moral science is self confidence. You know what is confidence? If anyone has given you the task and if you finish it confidently without any shyness, that inner consciousness is known as the confidence. Got it? Self confidence is the ability of a person to stand in front of 100 people and express himself or do something as if he is doing it in private. Self confidence is the confidence of a person on himself or herself to perform a task without any fear or hesitations. It can be said to be the product of a good self image. So, how to increase our self confidence? Matter is that. So, listen that video carefully up to the end. The points that I'm going to tell you definitely helps you to build up your confidence. First one is your outer performance. So, in outer performance, first one is dress smart. Although clothes don't make the man, they certainly affect the way he feels about himself. No one is more conscious of your physical appearance than you are. When you don't look good, it changes the way you carry yourself and interact with other people. Use this to your advantages by taking care of your personal appearance. Second one is your posture. Stand up straight, keep your head up and make eye contact. You will make a positive impression on other and instantly feel more alert and empowered. Third one is walk faster. Your movement must radiate the confidence in you. Most confident people walk fast as if they are on a missions and purposes. Other one is prepare. Prepare yourself for the action. It will make you more comfortable and confident. Rehearse it mentally, and this would reduce your fear. Start appreciating people and be grateful for what you have. Reading motivational books and or listening to motivational speeches can give you more courageous. Take action and get it done. Taking action on the thing we want to do can keep the fear away. See the words of Dale Carnegie: inaction breeds doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. If you want to conquer fear, do not sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. The most important step in building self confidence is simply to take action, working on something and getting it done. Sitting at home and thinking about it will just make you feel worse. Never bend your head. Always hold it high. Look the world straight in the face. That is the quotes given by Helen Keller. Next one is face your fear. William Jennings Bryan, he said that the way to develop self-confidence is to do the thing you fear. You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear on the face. You are able to say to yourself, I have lived through this horror. I can take the next thing that comes along. You must do the thing you think you cannot do. Self confidence is a great asset to your personality. In short, आप अपने जीवन में जो भी हासिल करना चाह रहे हैं, आपको जो भी टास्क मिला है उससे घबराना नहीं है. छोटी छोटी से रिजोल्यूशन अपने जीवन में पास करके देखें. सपोज आप सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठ पाते, ठीक है, या किसी से बात करने में संकोच करते हैं, घबराते हैं, तो कोशिश करिए कि एक दिन में जल्दी उठने की कोशिश करूँगा। आपकी वो कोशिश कामयाब हो जाएगी और आपको एक सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगा। आपको किसी से बात करने में डर लगता है तो कोशिश करिए मिरर के सामने अपने आप से बात करने की। इमेज करिए आप कि आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं। फिर धीरे धीरे आप कोशिश करिए कि आप कोई स्पीच कोई स्टेज पर बहुत क्राउडेड एरिया में दे रहे हैं। इमेज करना है। धीरे धीरे आपका डर ख़त्म होने लगेगा और पर्सनालिटी में अपने आप चेंजेस आना शुरू हो जाएंगे। छोटे छोटे से एफर्ट्स, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर द लर्नर, वी डोंट हैव टू स्टॉप लर्निंग फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी मोमेंट्स दैट वी आर फेसिंग इन आवर लाइफ. Definitely we have to face with confidence, learn from the mistakes and move ahead. Okay, have a nice day.